it goes. Coming up over the top of the Skeeter 2550, huh?
I didn't know this was part of the deal today. This is nice.
This is a little bonus you get for fishing fine line fishing charters doing what they can to
no
help,
extra charge either, right?
Help you guys out. Yeah. Here comes the rumble.
Yep. Wow. Trail.
Yeah,
hit the cold.
Little northern trajectory to it as well.
Hit some cold air.
Just need to get that rod tip to bend over out of the screen.
Wow.
You can hear that one.
Holy mackerel.
And away it goes. What do you think, Andrew? Catching redfish and watching rockets blast off, pretty cool thing to do when you're skipping school, huh? Actually, today's not a skip day. Today's an official holiday, isn't it?
Yep.
Let's do it again tomorrow. Sound good to you?
Sounds great.